Name something people wear, but it's probably fake.
Sneakers.
Sneakers.
We playing, Steve. We playing. Let's go.
Well, about to find out what all this damn holling's about.
Hey.
Dino, my man, how you doing?
Doing good,
What do you do, sir?
I'm an actor, Steve.
Oh, okay. Oh, we get it. What's one of the projects you've acted on?
Couple TV series.
Oh, okay.
Couple movies.
Oh, that's what. Oh. Well, I'll tell you what, before I get too deep in this, why don't you introduce everybody?
Okay, Steve,
Yeah.
well, this is Yanfo, my brother from another mother.
Uh-huh.
That's Elam, my other brother from another mother. And that's Sammy, my other brother from another mother. You tell her.
Yonfo?
Yes. Yeah.
What do you do, sir?
I run a social media agency.
In a social media agency. And in this social media agency, I use this voice that I'm using now.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a radio voice.
That's
I talk
my
to
voice.
people. I am the voice of moisture. When I'm talking, rain falls from the sky. When I'm talking, perspiration comes from under the arms. When I'm talking, there will be light. Uncle, so that's good, man.
You're
Welcome
right.
to the show.
Thank you very much.
All right, how are you? You married? Single? You married?
I am married, yes.
Yes, you're married. Yeah, I could tell. You got a wedding ring on. What? Oh! I be there. You're supposed to be happy. He's married. Oh, hell no. You're supposed to be happy. Now let's change that. So you are married?
I am married, yes, Steve.
Only for 2 weeks, though.
I've been married for 2 weeks.
You've been married for 2 weeks.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Oh, what, that changed it for y'all? 2 weeks? Oh, hell, girl. Hey, young couple. All right, let's go, man. Name something people wear, but it's probably fake.
Steve, I would say clothes.
Clothes.
Good answer. Good answer. Good answer. Good answer. Good job.
All right, let's go. Elon.
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 What the hell? What the hell is going on? me. What the hell is going on here? Elon, what do you do?
I'm a business consultant.
Oh, business consultant. Elon, let me ask you a question, man. You married?
Engaged.
Oh, don't try to act happy now. We engaged, yes. All right, man, let's play. Name something people wear, but it's probably fake.
A ring, gold ring.
A fake ring.
Good at going.
Only one strike. Sami,
Yes.
how are you, brother?
I'm great. How are you?
Good, good. What do you do?
I'm into social media marketing as well, so we run the same agency.
Oh, okay, that's good, that's good. All right, brother, let's go. Name something people wear, but it's probably fake.
I'm gonna go with fragrance, so like cologne, perfume, anything like that.
Fake fragrance.
That's cool.
All right, Dino, don't
What's
worry
up,
about that.
Steve?
We got 2 strikes, we gotta be careful
Yes, sir.
because the other family can steal. Name something people wear, but it's probably fake.
Hair.
Before I turn this answer over, I would like to make a statement about fake hair. I do not have a problem with it at all. As long as you look good in it, put it on, bring it on. That's it. I like natural hair too. I like women who wear their hair natural, short. It's beautiful. By the way, Miss Universe is from South Africa, and that girl right there. Hair!
Come on! That's the demon. That's the demon.
Young folk,
Yeah.
name something people wear, but it's probably fake.
I had a friend that used to wear a fake watch, so I go with a watch.
Fake watch. Hello, we got 2 strikes. Other family can steal.
Let's go along.
Name something people wear, but it's probably fake.
Let's go with sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
Good answer. Good answer. Good answer.
Name a noise an animal makes.
Moo. Woof. Woof.
No. That's a bark, baby. Bark.
Let's go.
Sami,
Yes.
name a noise an animal makes.
Meh.
Hey, Sammy. Sammy, I ain't hear you.
Meh. This survey is fake.
Dino,
What's up, Steve?
give me a noise that an animal makes.
Meow.
One more time, Dino.
Meow.
That's a great answer, Dino.
The little sick cat, meow.
I love that cat, man.
Young folk, I love that cat. Yeah,
that cat.
boy. Young folk, hey man, make a noise that an animal makes.
You know that nice,
It's in there. It's up there. It's up there. It's up there.
One more time. Obviously, I haven't been in Africa that long. Something is happening here. I have no. What is this?
It's a chicken, man. It's a chicken.
That's a sick ass chicken. You don't want to eat this chicken. You eat this chicken, that's salmonella. All right, hello, man. Good job, fellas. 1 strike. Name a noise that an animal makes.
A bird. Bird tweets.
What did you just do? When a girl walked by?
No, that's the sound a bird makes.
Or sound the bird makes?
Yes. Yes. Close. Not in Ghana. Our birds are different.
Okay, well, we got different birds. Damn it, that's a bird. The sound that a bird makes. All right, we got 2 strikes, Sammy. We gotta be careful, man. The other family can steal. Give me a noise that an animal makes. You know what that is?
Good answer. It's up there.
The reason, yes. The reason we are in this mess that we are in today was because of a snake. Wasn't it that snake, we'd have been okay. Snake slithered right on up and talked to that girl. God, dog. We wouldn't be having no problems. We'd be in the garden eating, chilling. Everybody have money, plenty to eat, boats. But oh no, here come that snake. Dino, listen to me. We got 2 strikes, so we have to be careful here. If it's not there, the other family can steal, okay? Name a noise that an animal makes.
I'm not doing it again.
No.
Can't do it. No,
Dino. Hey, Dino, see, look, man.
What's up?
See, what you did was, you didn't like the first part, but you enjoyed the second part. Yeah, see, that's the part you want to do. But you did, you wanted to do that, and then you hurry up and got to the. So let's do the whole thing again. Put them together, Dino. Let's go. Name something a 6-year-old would take on their first day of school.
A lunchbox.
Lunchbox.
We're playing. Come on.
We're playing. Let's go, baby. You got it. Dino.
Yes, sir.
Name something a 6-year-old would take on the first day of school.
Pencil, Steve.
Pencil. Young folk.
Yep.
Name something a 6-year-old would take on their first day of school.
They'll take their school bags.
Take their school
Let's
bag.
go, boy. Let's go, boy. Good answer. Good answer.
And name something that a 6-year-old would take on their first day of school.
Change of clothes.
A change of clothes. So when they pee on themselves, a change of clothes. He's going to pee on himself. Only 1 strike, Sammy. We are rolling. Name something a 6-year-old would take on their first day of school.
A book.
A book.
Show you, baby. For the money. For the money, Dino.
Dino.
For the money, Dino.
Here's the situation, man. There's only 1 answer left, 1 answer only. You only have 1 strike. If it's there, your team wins the game, your team will be playing for $5,000. If it's not there, you're still alive, only 1 strike. Dino, name something a 6-year-old would take on their first day of school.
I'd say money, Steve.
You got to have money. You gotta have money. Young folk, 2 strikes. Let's go. Name something a 6-year-old would take on their first day of school.
They might take a toy.
Take. For the win, a toy.
Come on.
All right, everybody, welcome back to the Feud. 6 Miludu won the game. And now it's time to play. All right, young folk, here's how the fast money works. Dino is off stage where he can't see or hear your answers. I'm gonna ask you 5 questions in 20 seconds. If you can't think of something, you just say pass. If you and Dino come up with 200 points, look right there, tell them what you're gonna win.
$5,000. Come on. Win this money.
Well,
Yeah.
that was extra. All right, you ready?
Ready.
20 seconds on the clock, please.
Okay.
Clock will start after I read the first question. Come on, man, let's go. Name something parents tell their children not to waste.
Food.
A body part you stretch.
Legs.
Seafood people order at a restaurant.
Shrimp.
A word that starts with hyper.
Hyperinflation.
Something that smells bad.
Feet.
All right, let's go, baby. All right, let's see how we did. Name something parents tell their children not to waste. You said food. Survey said? A body part that you stretch. You said stretch your legs. Survey said? Seafood people order at a restaurant. You said shrimp. Survey said? Yeah. A word that starts with hyper. You said hyperinflation. Survey said? Something that smells bad. You said feet. Survey said? All right, there we go. All right, now let's bring out Dino. Here we go. All right, Dino, now, got some pretty good news for you, man.
Talk to me, Steve.
Yeah, your boy came through for you.
That's Yamfo.
Yamfo got 110 points. Yeah. You need 90 points to win the $5,000. Now, Dino, listen to me, man. We got to focus, okay?
Yes, sir.
It's hard to get 90 points in the second position.
Sure.
So I need for you to focus, okay? That's how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna ask you the same 5 questions. You cannot duplicate the answers. If you do, you're gonna hear this sound. I'm gonna say try again. You give me another answer. All right?
Yes, sir.
It's gonna be a little bit tougher this time, so we're gonna give you 25 seconds. You ready?
Yes.
All right, let's remind everybody of Yamfo's answers. 25 seconds on the clock, please. Clock will start after I read the first question. Name something parents tell their children not to waste.
Time.
A body part you stretch.
Your arms.
Seafood people order at a restaurant.
Fish.
A word that starts with hyper.
Hyperventilate.
Something that smells bad.
Your breath.
All right, let's go, Dino. Come on, baby. All right, let's see how we go, my man. All right, brother, let's go. We need 90 points. Name something parents tell their children not to waste. You said time. Survey said? Number 1 answer was food. Food was the number 1 answer. 88 points away. A body part you stretch. You said arms. Survey said? Boom.
Come on, Dino. Come on.
Number 1 answer, arms. Seafood. People order at a restaurant. You said fish. Survey said? Oh. Come on.
It's the Dino.
We're doing this.
It's the Dino.
We're doing this.
Number 1 answer, fish. We need 17 points. A word that starts with hyper, you said hyperventilate. Survey said hyperactive was the number 1 answer. We need 17 points. Man. Something that smells bad. You said breath. Survey said you had that. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Wow. Well, they scored. Let me get them straight. Hey, fella, just so you know. Hey, come here. straight. Come here. Come here, fellas. Listen to me. Because of your points and the number of points you scored 183 points. We triple that, you walk out with a grand total $5,200. Yeah.